morning, guys. Today is, I think, day 45 or 46. I'm not 100% sure. And before I start, I just want to say thank you so much for all your lovely comments on my previous video. It's so sweet. Some of them are quite funny, but I just want to say thank you. Thanks, guys, so much. Our ginger beer was almost a success. I say almost because it was a little bit bitter. So today we are trying again, but instead of making ginger beer, we are going to try our hand at some apple cider. So stay tuned if you want to see how that is done. And also I attempt to cut my husband's hair. I am still working on those handstands. And pull-ups have not really been happening because I just can't do them, but I'm going to try again. I just can't do it. First is we are going to boil 5 liters of water. It's not very exact, but I do know that my pressure cooker is a 5-liter pot. Next up is adding 500 grams of sugar and 5 tea bags. So I'm just using no-name sugar and Tetley tea bag. That seems about right, I think. And now for the 5 tea bags. Do you want to see what it looks like inside? This is a lot like making kombucha. I started with the apples, which I think was a mistake, because now that the tea is boiling, I have to wait until it's cooled down before I add the apples. But since I started, I'm going to finish, and I'm going to add a beetroot because I think it's going to make it a beautiful color. As you can see, I've added every single part of the apple, the skin, the pips, everything. Now for the color. Just so you guys can see, this is a before shot. Oh, just look at that beautiful color now. So now comes the most time-consuming part. That is to wait for the tea to cool down so that I can add the yeast and the apple. And just for reference, if any of you are wanting to make videos, you have to be creative when thinking about the positioning of your camera. So you have to get creative with DIY ways to mount your phone, or to at least raise it to the right height. I think that the tea is finally cool enough. If I put my finger in, I can hardly feel any difference. So it's now completely room temperature. And the recipe calls for 5 grams of yeast. Now to add my pretty colored apple smush to the tea. So excited to see what the color is going to look like. Oh, I think I have to put it in our jar and then leave it for 1 week. That's pretty simple. Wow, just stumbled across a really big market for the pandemic lockdown time. This is so cool. Oh, I see, it's the Tribal Market Complex. Wow, never came here before. Seems regulations have changed a little. That road over there is completely blocked. And roads seem a lot quieter. Going to look for some dry wood. So this is dry wood?
Yes, this is dry, supposedly.
Back into the outside world. Hello world. So we asked for delivery and this is the delivery vehicle. Aww. Decided since we're so close to home, just in there, we're gonna have our bike washed. First wash in 2 months, our little Bajaj. Oh, there goes our wood. Whee. Wow, it looks so shiny and brand new. I'm finally starting to see some progress in my handstands. Yay! This is the Kangra wood before it has been planed. And this is after it's been planed. Good morning, guys. Today is, I have no idea what it is, but today is the day I attempt to cut my husband's hair. It's only the second time ever in my life that I'm gonna do it, so no promises it's gonna turn out good, but let's see how it goes. That is a before shot of his hair. Do you trust me?
Not completely.
Aww. And here is an after shot. It's maybe not the best haircut ever, but hey, it's free. And it's shorter. How does it feel?
Much cooler and lighter.
And how about now? Do you trust me more?
Yes, let's go check out the mirror.
Let's not.